Come on.
Hi! Welcome
To our show, of course. I am J.Lab and
I'm Kissey.
we're now here at this Davao Medical School Foundation, where it is one of the known schools here in Davao. And most of all, what made everything interesting?
Okay. Before anything else, Davao is now a very diverse country. No, a diverse city.
Diverse city.
So, and DMSF is known to have Indian students here.
Or most of the students.
Most of the students, of course, are Filipinos, but there are really great percentage of Indians
Yes.
here.
So they represent here in DMSF. And just because DMSF is well known in their country, India. So
Yes.
they come here to learn medicine and be a doctor someday.
Yes.
Right.
So yes, that's true.
So let's talk to one of the let's go.
Just a little bit. Okay, about more. What are you doing here in Davao, in Philippines?
Can I ask about regarding?
It's for our YouTube. It's our video blog.
For Davao, for Indians in Davao.
Yeah.
Actually, I have some more.
Just one question.
One question.
Yeah.
What is the reason why you're here in Davao, and what are your impressions in Davao?
And the medicine here is very good.
Hmm.
We came here actually for the medicine. But the clinics are very good here. The clinic experience.
So in India, DMSF has a good.
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Ruby Street. Ruby.
Here at Marfori Street, where we'll try the Indian cuisine right here, and we'll just cross the road. And why do we have to try this Indian restaurant called Indian Darbar?
Because it's Indian tea. No, we will show you the best, the best foods for the best place to eat for Indians. Yes. If you like Indian cuisine.
But not just for Indians, but for the Davaoenos as a whole. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I am a foodie. Yeah, foodie. and it shows. And it shows. And it shows. And I love to try different cuisines. And I'm excited with this Indian cuisine, which is actually my first try. We'll just cross the road and
Yes.
we'll see you there.
Okay.
Hello everyone, so we're now here inside this beautiful Indian restaurant called
Davao Indian cuisine, right?
Indian Darbar Cuisine.
Sorry.
Indian Darbar Cuisine.
Yeah.
So we're here with the owner.
Juvie, Santa Maria.
Yeah.
I'm Juvie.
Yeah, so
Yes,
she's the
yes.
owner, and if you want to eat here and if you want to try Indian cuisine, you can look for her, and you can just eat here whatever you want.
How did it all started?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
How did it all start?
Okay. Actually, before I think 8 years ago, I have a shop in Gaisano Mall of Davao. It's an Indian shop. It's Pankaj House of Indian Fashions. It started there as a shop of accessories and authentic Indian clothes. We were able to build a good, market. Indian community plus Filipinos. Unfortunately, you see so many online stores already who started selling the same stuff. Maybe they get also direct from India. So what we did, we tried to change. So we continued Indian business, but this time we went into the food business. That's why we opened this Indian Darbar Cuisine. Then when we opened the food business, we found out that it's a better market because there are more Indian students who are having a hard time adjusting with Filipino food. That is supposedly our target, the Indian students. But when we opened this restaurant, it came to a point wherein 70% of our customers are all Filipinos. Maybe because Filipinos love to eat and they wanted, a variety of food. But when you come inside, the food is cheap, but quality is good. Yes. You can eat as low as 100 pesos. You'll be able to full you're full now.
Wow. Here we are with this vividly presented food. It's like a cornucopia of colors. So
yeah, you can try this. Actually, we have 3 kinds of breads here. Indians are known to eat with bread and with hands. You see? So this is what we call chapati or roti. Roti and chapati are the same. As you can see, it's very thin and it's like pita bread and it's made of wheat flour, so it's healthier. This is what we call parota. It's tastier compared to chapati. Yes. Veg curries. And of course, the famous chicken biryani. It's made of basmati rice. Basmati is Indian rice, which is thinner and longer. Some say they look like noodles. But they are actually basmati rice and with milk. Okay? Now you can try. You just try tearing it up and then dip it and tell me if it's good.
So here's the parota, and we're gonna dip it in. What's this?
That's butter chicken.
Butter chicken.
Yeah, it's actually chicken curry with butter and cream, and sometimes they put yogurt in it. It's creamy.
It's spicy.
Sarap.
It's spicy.
Yeah, spicy.
Yeah. Yeah. But yeah, he loves Indian food. Yeah. He loves everything spicy. So that's our cameraman, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. But why do they like spicy? Why is it spicy?
I think it's a part of their culture already. They are into spicy food. My Indian business actually started with love.
Wow.
Yeah, because of him, because of my boyfriend. He gave me my first Indian suit, kurta, and it was beautiful. After that, I said, okay, let's start selling. Then this as well, he loves to eat. Sometimes he is teaching me already how to cook Indian food at home. Then I said, why not try our own restaurant at least? Then, that's it, it's good.
And this is right here.
Basta anything na with love, no, masarap.
Correct.
Anything
you do with love spreads love.
To spread the love.
Yeah. Okay, Indian Darbar Cuisine. Okay, Darbar. Okay. Darbar is actually a king's court. It's like a king's palace. So we chose that name, Indian Darbar Cuisine, so that people will come and eat like a king in India.
So I'm the king today.
And you're the queen. And I'm the princess. See, it's finished. Good food.
It is delicious. We love it.
Busog na.
Yes. Maybe we could ask some questions, and the first question is, what is the reason why you're studying here in Davao City?
It's actually in India, medicine, if we get scholarship, it's okay, but if we don't get scholarship in India, it's very costly. It's around 10 million.
10 million pesos?
Pesos
Wow.
in India. So, it's compared to India, it's cheaper, and Davao is the safest city. So, we are studying here.
Here in Davao City.
Same reason.
Same reason.
It's actually good for us because we'll be missing our food when we are abroad. But these people are bringing our food here, so we can. It's fine actually. It's good.
Oh, thank you so much
Thank you so much.
for the interview. So we're now here at the Davao Indian Temple where I think they're currently praying. So I don't know if it is a good time for us to go inside, but if not, then we could just show you the whole Indian temple. As you can see, it is located at Huna subdivision. So they're here. I don't know if we can go inside. We're here at the Indian grocery store. Did we get a provision?
Yeah, I already told him.
Ah?
I already told him.
Okay, so here we are, as you can see. Before going, is it really good?
Yeah, it's okay, boss.
Yeah, it is very good. So what are your thoughts about here in Davao?
Peaceful area, so that's why
Are you contented to the lifestyle here in Davao? How did you adjust?
actually same as the our Indian style and the Filipino style is same thing. So there is a friendly people, so that's why I'm no worries to congested. So I'm
Di ba makaspeak ka ng Bisaya, di ba?
so I can, but yeah.
Yeah. Makasabot kag Bisaya.
Yes, kasabot na para hindi ako marunong salita.
You're not fluent.
Yes.
Okay, so most of the goods are from India.
Yes, India and Malaysia as well.
Ooh, Malaysia.
Yeah.
Wow.
So there is a lot of India, so Malaysian product as well.
We've just been like
Well, traveling the whole Davao
we traveled the whole Davao.
to go to the Indian places, communities.
Indian communities where we can find them or where they hang out like the usual. They love us.
Yeah, Indian love us.
Yeah, they love us so much. They love the Davao. They love Davao. They love the peacefulness. They love everything. And in return, we love their food. We love their culture. We love everything that they can offer to us.
I just repeat what you said. Kasi sinabi mo na lahat.
Come on.
I also learned something other.
Yeah, what do you have learned?
It's the same about love. If you do something out of love, yes, it is blessed. Pero, hindi, I'm so proud to have the Indian community here in Davao. Davao is a diverse place.
It's like diversity.
Diversity.
It has
Davao diversity.
Yo,
Pasimuno na to na.
Davao diversity hashtag. This has been Kissey and J.Lab, and we're gonna say goodbye. Come.
Yay!